All right, y'all, it is that time. So we are gonna cut into this sweet baby. Man, oh man, I'm excited to try this, you guys, because like I said, I've never made it before, and getting that first piece out is always the hardest. Want more than that, or is that enough? Get it in there good. Look at that, y'all. Doesn't that look good? That looks so freaking good. Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to take this whole tube of Jimmy Dean sausage, and we are going to cook this up. Cook it up. Let me get my handy dandy tool here, if I can find it. So we're going to take our little meat mallet grinder here, and we're going to just grind this right on up. And we're going to let this get real brown, y'all. And then we're going to drain that fat right on out of it. Right on out of there. And y'all know what? Y'all know what time it is? Y'all know what time it is? It's time to add some heat. I wish this would grind up a little more. Okay, that should be good. There we go. Spilled right on out of there. Let me pause that. All right, we're going to also hit this baby with some cayenne pepper. Cayenne! Cayenne pepper. Yes, yes. All right, you guys, thank you for coming back if you are returning. And I so appreciate it, each and every one of you, so, so much. Okay, so this is going to be one of the easiest put together meals you have ever seen. This is based around the viral TikTok recipe that's going on right now with ramen noodles. It's going to be good, y'all. I'm telling you. And I just got off work, so of course, I want something that's going to be easy to put together. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to spray our dish with some Pam. And I'm going to introduce each ingredient to you all as we go versus just doing it up front like I normally do. So we're going to open up these 5 packs of ramen, and we're going to lay them in the bottom of this 9x13 baking dish. All right, you guys, now we have our ramen chicken flavor packets. Now you can use any flavor ramen you want. It doesn't matter. I'm using standard chicken. So we're going to take, oh my God, blooper. I cannot believe that just happened, you guys. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So that was a blooper moment for real. So we're going to take each seasoning packet and sprinkle it over our ramen. I'm going to be honest with you guys. You're really supposed to have 6 packets of ramen, but I only have 5. It's not going to hurt anything at all. I mean, I got some crusties right there. I could put one more because I got that expensive kind, but I'm just not even going to worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. So I also look at it like in it already, you know, I mean, this is supposed to be really delicious, but is it the most healthy thing you could eat? No, it's not. Okay. So we got all our seasoning on there. Now we're going to come in and put some, now you can do the vegetables of your choice. Peppers and onions, mushrooms. I think, I don't know if I should do mushrooms. I don't know, my son will eat it if I do. But we're going to layer some matchsticks carrots on here. Probably a cup and a half. Just a few more for fun. All right, y'all. Now we're going to come in with, this is really one of my favorite seasonings now. Slap Your Mama. So we're going to put some Slap Your Mama on here. And we're going to put some crushed red pepper flakes. All right, next, we're going to come in with our ground sausage. And we are going to sprinkle this evenly on here. Not all of it because you're going to do it, you'll see. Well, I am going to go ahead and do all of it. It'll be all right. And yes, I ate a piece. And if you all watched the beginning of my video, I did put spices on that ground sausage as well. And again, that can be any brand that you want. I just happen to like, excuse me, I happen to like Jimmy Dean. All right, y'all. See, I told you this was easy. Is it the healthiest? No. But you don't have to eat it all the time. It is, look at it like a delicacy. All right, so now we are going to come in with our ricotta cheese. I got my little cookie little thing. And we're just going to put dollops. This little thing comes in really convenient. Oops, I didn't mean that one to go right there. Get over there, baby. There you go. Oops. There you go. Okay. Now, after you do that, you're going to come in with your marinara sauce, the whole jar. All right, y'all. Next, you're going to take your minced garlic right here. And you're going to take a little tiny spoon. And you're going to just try to spread this out evenly. It kind of just falls off, but that's okay. It is okay. So you're probably going to do about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of the minced garlic. Now, you got your jar right here. That's almost empty of your marinara sauce, right? You got your heavy whipping cream. So you're going to just give it a shake. This is equivalent to about a cup and a half. Put your jar back on there. Give it a good shake to get the rest of that marinara out. And go ahead and just start pouring that on. All right, y'all. Now we're going to take this whole bag of 8-ounce mozzarella cheese and we're going to put this on the top. Think of this as a ramen pizza because that's exactly what it makes me think of. Now, I want you to know I've never made this before. This is going to be my first time trying it, so you'll have a full-fledged experience of how good it is, honestly. Honesty, 100% through and through. Now, we're going to bake this at 375 for 35 minutes. 35 to 45 minutes, depending on how your oven cooks. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all know what I did? I forgot something. No. Okay. We have got to add parsley. Parsley. Can't believe I forgot this. I was actually supposed to have done it before I did the cheese. But it'll be all right. It'll be totally fine. Totally fine. And put as much parsley as you like. Okay, and then you want to add chives. I think somebody wants to come add it. My daughter's over here looking at me, y'all. She's like, what's on your mouth? Well, you know, I've had a little bit of whoopsie. All right, so my oven is already preheated to 375. They're at the bottom. She said, where are the noodles? I said, they're at the bottom. Okay. So I think we're good to go. I'm going to add, do you want me to add any more heat? Okay, she don't want me to add any more heat, y'all. All right, so we're going to put this in the oven, 35, 40 minutes. I'll probably do 40 minutes, and then we will show you.